Hello cherished viewers, welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Today they can share a video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share, now I like it. Now I notification bell no. Say the video be better on Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. It was just a Torta Al Cacao, that's Unsweetened Coco powder and Caffe. Me taste it tastes really nice until I start it. With the 100-gram heavy cream and a pane, a begu saucepan mu. We are now the 1.5 teaspoon Caffe akaho. One mixing there together. Another cozy jar so amanayeshi. What beat 3 eggs. With the 70-gram margarine akaho. No akoswe beati. Na cafe na wodi kosi jaso wa be hwe de egum no akoswe beati. Beati ewe no. Now the 150-gram all-purpose flour, that's farina. With the egum, now the salt kakra de akaho. With the baking soda kaho. With the 30-gram unsweetened cocoa powder egum. We are now mixing it together. Vanilla kakra de akaho. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We are now going to prepare cake pie mu. We are now baking 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, where you one manajo and sana was serve. Yep, my trust in the can share a video. Remember ring subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me a notification bell no. Say the video be better on Sabeka. Me yes, I cake with me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Thanks to a very soft and fluffy. Now this our Torta Al Cacao. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.